This is a very famous, popular tourist attraction. It's got tons of shops and restaurants, places you catch some fishing excursions, or rent some jet skis, maybe grab some ice cream if you want. You can just look up current weather conditions and expect to come. This is Madeira Beach over by Johnson Pass. We'll do another coastal weather update for you. Currently, the Gulf of Mexico coming in, showing a little bit of chop, got some higher seas, so there's that small craft advisory. It's also very cloudy. Those northwest winds are going to increase this cloudiness throughout the day. We definitely have that northwesterly wind component going on, because as I'm traveling south down on this beach and I turn around, you can really feel those winds pick up as I head north into the direction of the wind. So it's a lot easier for me to do my thing when I head south down this beach. Easier to hear me, get a little push from my back, make it nice and smooth. One thing about Madeira Beach area is that it's really good for showing. You get a lot of these big seashells that wash up from the ocean, or shall I say Gulf of Mexico. For instance, here's one right here, a beautiful seashell. We don't have that up north because the coastline is a little bit more concave. Collects a little bit more here in the south part of Pinellas County. Temperatures right now, it's 54 degrees. It's a bit chillier than it was yesterday, so it's definitely sweater weather for sure. Don't see too many people swimming, but there is that rip current advisory in place. It's probably going to go up to about 60 degrees only, and that's going to take place maybe around 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon. On average, around here in Tampa Bay are about 70 this time of year. Dew points are in the low 40s. What you can expect for the upcoming week is clear skies. Temperatures very similar to this, and we're probably going to have those winds come in from the west as that low sits over South Carolina on Wednesday. If you're going to be outside this week, I try to get it in before Friday, because we're expecting some rain to come in on Saturday and into Sunday, associated with that low that's going to be passing through Texas, up around Mississippi as well. And when it goes through Texas, there's going to be about 1 inch of precipitable water in the atmosphere, and probably going to come down onto that area. That normally wouldn't be much of a deal for eastern Texas, but since it just had all that rain come through last week, and it caused some flooding, be prepared if you live over in East Texas. Now with that low, it looks like it's going to exclude over near the Texarkana area, which is very unusual for that to happen this south. That jet stream has a very up and down, north-south flow to it. So it's going to be bringing that low all the way down and cause some severe weather, probably in Mississippi as it makes its way east. We will continue to monitor the stability and the energy in that area, but for now, we're going to enjoy the clear skies ahead and the lack of precipitation we have going on right now, because this weekend is going to be a wet one for you. Besides that, have a good one, and thanks for coming along with me on the ride as we wheel around and view the weather.